is Nina at ForeignMRE.com, and I am in the pick room collecting rations for today's orders. So far, these are the orders that came in this morning, and typically we get a lot more orders at night. So I'm going to get these in the staging area out in the kitchen, and later on tonight Art and I will box these up. All right, I got these two Australian rations right here, and I think there is a problem inside of both of them. I think something leaked or spilled or whatever it is. I'm gonna have to cut them open, see what's inside, and after that, if everything else is okay, I'll put it on the website as an open item. For sure, I've got something leaking in this one. As you can see here, I've got something that's brown and wasted, so I'm gonna have to take everything out and see what I've got. As you can see, it is the lamb casserole. Now we're gonna look at this one. I saw some moisture in this bag a while back, and even though it's kind of dried out, I still want to see what's inside and make sure everything is okay and safe to sell. So let's dig into this one and see what we've got. Ew, sticky, sticky. Everything's stuck together. And it's gonna be some cleanup, but let's keep looking. Well, looky here. We've got some plum jam that has wasted everywhere. So what we're gonna do is clean everything up, and this is gonna take quite some time because it's all over the place, and this ration will also be sold as an open item, minus the jam. This was just a quick peek behind the scenes with Nina. Changed up the format a little bit, and hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.